It's Jeff from Synthreo. Hey, project updates shouldn't feel like detective work. But information, it lives in tickets, stand-ups, Slack threads, static docs. It's all over the place in the ticket notes, and by the time it's pulled together, it's already outdated. Delivery teams and account managers spend hours manually compiling status updates, if they do it at all, chasing inputs and trying to surface risks before customers notice them. Critical blockers get missed, leadership lacks real-time visibility, and reporting becomes a constant drain instead of a value driver. We built Project Pulse to fix that. It's an AI agent, that's what you see here on my screen, that logs into your project management system like ConnectWise or Monday or any other project management system you might have, and it automatically writes both the internal and customer-facing project status reports for you. So teams, leaders, and customers always know what's happening, saving you hours of time and filling in a critical value gap. Behind the scenes, what it's doing is it's just logging into every single ticket, monitoring every technician's updates on a project to detect risk, identify blockers, and summarize progress in plain language, just like you see here. And the best part is that instead of manually writing status reports, teams get an always up-to-date project pulse with surface risks, clear progress indicators, and ready-to-share summaries. What you've got on my screen here is an email that goes out every single day internally, summarizing every single project. What are the blockers on each one? What's going to happen next? Visibility for my entire team into what's going on for all the projects that my project team is working. Ready to share summaries that drive faster decisions and proactive customer conversations. This isn't just reporting, it's real-time visibility into active delivery. So, if project visibility and customer communications are breaking down in your organization, this is worth seeing live. Book a demo with our team today.